Ah, it's finally autumn, the season for falling leaves and colorful landscapes. But did you even think about those trees that are starting to get bare? It is time to protect our family community orchards. For young trees, we're gonna need some tree wraps. It's a stylish accessory, but it's used to protect those little saplings from the cold and those pesky rodents that can't resist nibbling at the trunk. It helps slow the weather down when extreme temperatures drop, and it helps stop cracking. Although tree wraps are really fashionable for the trees, they need to be removed by March when the grass starts to green up. Now for those trees that are over 2 to 3 inches, they'll need some protection too. For those trees, you can use latex paint and a lime whitewash. It's like a bark protection makeover. And now if your orchard is closer to the suburbs where deer can go through, you're gonna need a wire fence around it called a collar. You make the collar to slow down the deers from trying to rub their antlers against bark, which will damage the tree. Another thing that you can do to help your tree is mulching. Mulch is like the unsung hero for the trees. Remember, donuts, not volcanoes. Volcanoes will cause damage to the trunk of the tree. So keep in mind the 3-3-3 rule. 3 inches away where the mulch should start. 3 inches deep on how much mulch you use, and 3 feet around the diameter of the tree. And there you have it, folks, your winterizing plan for your community orchard.